Across the world, there are millions of different plant species. Some give life, some heal. But there are others, plants that, despite their innocent beauty and vibrant colors, hide a deadly secret. Throughout human history, these plants have been used as weapons in wars, as tools of assassination in royal palaces, and as cursed elements in rituals and legends. What makes them even more terrifying is that they are not always hidden deep in distant jungles. Sometimes they grow right beside us, in our gardens, in city parks, on familiar streets. Today, we are going on a journey across the globe to uncover the world's most deadly plants. Let's begin along the Mediterranean coasts. In Turkey, Greece, and Italy, the beautiful flowering oleander brightens roadsides and gardens. But behind its rosy facade lies a deadly truth. Its leaves contain oleandrin, a potent toxin that can fatally disrupt the heart's rhythm. Just a handful of leaves can be enough to kill. In ancient times, it was both a medicine and a weapon of assassination. During the Ottoman era, people who accidentally burned oleander wood for a fire often died from inhaling the poisonous smoke. A plant that looks like a simple decorative flower actually carries the power of death. Now we move to Italy, to the legendary belladonna, also known as deadly nightshade. Its name means beautiful woman because during the Middle Ages, women used drops of its juice to dilate their pupils, believing it made them appear more attractive. But the cost of this beauty was steep. Belladonna contains atropine and scopolamine, powerful toxins that can paralyze and kill within moments. For centuries, it appeared in witches' potions, in the tools of assassins, and in the political intrigues of Rome's imperial courts. A plant of elegance on the outside, but one of pure betrayal on the inside. Traveling to India, we find the castor bean plant. Its oil is useful, even medicinal, but its seeds contain ricin, one of the most powerful poisons known to humanity. Just 1 gram of purified ricin is enough to kill hundreds of people. During the Cold War, ricin became infamous when a Bulgarian dissident journalist was assassinated in London with a poisoned umbrella tip. A single seed, no bigger than a marble, can create international crises. In the Caribbean and South America grows one of the most dangerous trees in the world, the Manchineel, known to locals as the Tree of Death. Its fruits resemble small green apples, but a single bite can be fatal. The milky sap that oozes from its trunk burns the skin, blinds the eyes, and causes severe blistering. Even standing beneath the tree during rainfall is dangerous, as the drops that fall from its leaves can burn the skin on contact. Spanish explorers fittingly named it La Manzanilla de la Muerte, the little apple of death. High in the mountains of Tibet and across Central Asia blooms aconitum, better known as wolf's bane. Its beautiful purple flowers look innocent, but its roots contain aconitine, a lethal neurotoxin. For centuries, warriors used it to poison their arrows. In imperial China, it was a favorite tool for those who wanted to eliminate their enemies silently. The Tibetans called it the cursed healer, because while it sometimes offered medicine in careful hands, more often it delivered death. Back in South Asia, in India and Sri Lanka, we encounter Cerbera odolam, the so-called suicide tree. Its seeds contain cerberin, a poison that stops the heart in its tracks. In the Indian state of Kerala, this tree has a dark history. Countless cases of suspicious deaths and secret murders have been traced back to its seeds. In many trials, it was revealed that this plant was the silent weapon, hiding in plain sight. Across Europe, we find the ancient and solemn yew tree. Tall, dark, and often planted in cemeteries, the yew has long been linked with death. Its seeds and leaves contain a group of toxins that once played a role in suicides and murders during the Middle Ages. Ironically, in modern times, a chemical derived from the yew, paclitaxel, is used in controlled doses to treat cancer. A tree once feared for its poison now saves lives, a striking contradiction of nature. In Australia, nature's cruelty takes another form. There grows the Gympie-Gympie, gruesomely known as the suicide plant. It doesn't kill instantly, but its touch brings agony so intense that some victims have reportedly chosen to end their own lives rather than endure the pain. Tiny, silica-tipped hairs on its leaves inject a powerful neurotoxin into the skin, causing excruciating burning sensations that can last for months or even years. During World War II, Australian soldiers reported horrifying encounters with this plant. describing the pain as worse than any battlefield wound. As we trace these plants across nations, we realize that the natural world is full of double-edged wonders. These plants are not just silent residents of forests and fields, they are agents of history. They have shaped wars, altered dynasties, fueled legends, and haunted the human imagination for millennia. A flower, a leaf, a seed, seemingly harmless, yet capable of bringing down kings, soldiers, and ordinary people alike. Even today, many of these plants are growing quietly in gardens, in parks, and in remote corners of the earth. Some are being studied for their potential to heal, while others remain stark warnings of how fragile life can be. Nature, it seems, is always balanced between creation and destruction, and that is perhaps the greatest lesson hidden within the world's deadliest plants. Beauty can kill life, and death can coexist in the same leaf. And sometimes the most dangerous secrets are not hidden in weapons or machines, but in the silent, poisonous embrace of nature itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the world's hidden secrets. Stay curious and stay safe.